design services are back up and running, and our showrooms colleagues are here to help you design your new kitchen, bathroom and bedroom. We've also launched a range of 25 beautiful new kitchens, and all at B&Q's low prices. So whilst we'd love you to pop by, we really want to ensure that you shop safely, and this is how we'll be looking after you. Booking your appointment couldn't be easier. You can do this online at diy.com, by the phone, or come into store. When you book your appointment, you'll have 2 options to design your new space safely. New virtual appointments with video calls that allow us to create visual designs remotely. Plus, new socially distanced appointments in our in-store showrooms. These include allocated desks in the planning area to help customers maintain a 2-metre distance while our colleagues design your space. And rest assured, we have all the expected safety measures in place, such as hand sanitizer stations at the entrance to all the showrooms.
We have a one-way system and 2-metre floor markings to guide you through the area safely.
And to limit contact, we're only taking card or finance payment. But good news, you can do this in-store or over the phone.
Book your appointment online or in store today and get started on your dream kitchen, bathroom or bedroom. And remember, together,
We can do it.
We can do it.
We can do it.